Hello and welcome guys, my name is Junaid and you are watching Techyeagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to copy the link of your Facebook profile and share it to others. For doing so, you have to open your Facebook, but before going to the process, I must request you to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions you can leave a comment and I will answer you as soon as possible. For doing so, first you have to open your Facebook, then click on your profile, then click on the three dot on the profiles, then this page will appear. Here you have to scroll down and a profile link option will be available. You can copy it and then share it to anyone. If anyone will click on this link, he will be redirected to my Facebook profile. That's it for today's video. Check out the video on the screen because YouTube thinks that this video is helpful for you. Bye bye.